Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. As always, today I got a $565 box from Soul Supremacy out of California. If you guys aren't familiar with them, you probably can Google them and they pull up one of the best shops in America, especially when it comes to doing beater boxes. We pay a monthly subscription fee. Memberships right now are closed. They've been saying they're gonna open it up, but they haven't opened it up yet. So right now I'm paying about 40 bucks a month for me to go live every Sunday and cop mystery boxes for those who've been asking. Memberships right now are closed. When they open up, follow them on Twitter and you'll be aware whenever they do all of that. But back to this box, man, $565. The last box was nice. It did really well. Appreciate all the support you guys gave me on that video. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump on in this one. This one's a little cheaper than the last box I got. See if we can get in there. All right, $565. See something good right off top. They don't have no box though. We got some bred 4s. A little bit of cracking on the midsole like all the 4s do. No box on these. Still pretty clean though. Still pretty clean. What size are they? I guess I can tell y'all what size they are. Size 9.5. No box. Of course, got the jump in on the back. Check out the bottoms. I hope you guys can see that. Still got a lot of stars on the bottom. So yeah, size 9.5. Not too bad for a little loose shoe. Got 2 pair of loose shoes in here. And I'm guessing this is a woman's shoe. Looks like an Ultra Boost. I don't know if these have a nickname. I've never seen these before. Looks like a woman's Ultra Boost. Still got some life in them. The boost is still pretty white. Still has the writing on the inside of them. These are a size 11. Size 11, no box. The Ultra Boost. Been getting a lot of Adidas lately. A lot of Ultra Boosts and Yeezys and all that kind of stuff lately. We got a face box, 9.5. Jordan 11. Jordan 11 face box. Oh, okay, we got some heat. Oh, we got another restoration project. This is why you guys gotta wear your shoes, man. They're gonna tear up whether you wear them or not. These are, I'm assuming, the 2001 release. 2001 release, size 9.5, still clean. Whoever had them didn't wear them a lot. You probably can't see the Jumpman on the inside. But check out that separation. So these right here will probably be going in my little restoration box for whoever want them. A lot of you guys been hitting me up about boxes on Instagram. These are in really good shape, man. They look like they just need a re-glue. And, you know, need the bottoms iced. Still got the 23 on the back. But this is why you need to wear your shoes, man. They're gonna tear up due to age anyway. So people that just collecting to collect, they gonna come apart one of these days. Wear your shoes, people. Face box, size 9.5. Got another Jordan box, size 11.5. Jordan 7. Jordan 7, size 11.5. Alright, we got some clean little Bordeaux 7s. Very nice. Very nice. This is a lot of people's favorite 7. Got some toe box creasing on them. The bottom still look pretty good. Not bad. Size 11.5 on these with the original box. See if I can clean them up and all that good stuff for y'all. Down there. Man, this box was full. This is a full box. Some old stuff. Nike Air Max 95, size 10. Air Max 95s. A lot of people's favorite Air Max. This is a pretty clean colorway. This is an older shoe. You can tell just from the box. But they wasn't worn very much. Size 10 on these. I'm gonna have to do some price checking because I don't know what the value of these are, the Ultra Boosts are. So I'm gonna have to do some price checking. All the prices for everything should be down in the description below. You can hit me up, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, or you can just DM me on Instagram if you see anything. At TGOTSOLE on there too. If you see anything down there in the description. These are some Air Max 1s, size 10. They look like they got some pretty high quality leather on them. I don't know anything about these, never seen these. Never seen these. Air Max 1 is a pretty dope shoe though. Size 10. They feel really high quality with that leather inside. I actually kind of like that blue bottom. But yeah, check those out. Air Max 1. I don't know much about them. The prices for everything will be down in the description. I gotta do more research for sure on this box, because I am totally lost. Alright, size 10 again, Jordan 10. This is a replacement box. These are some 13 lows. I don't know the nickname of these. 13 lows. And yeah, these they might be in the restoration box too. They have some separation right there. Need a good little re-glue or something. So these might be going in a restoration box for somebody. I don't do restorations and nothing like that myself. I do like a little basic cleaning. That's about all you getting out of me. I can't do no restoration. That's a whole nother ball game. Re-glues and all that. It's a time-consuming project. Alright, we got some Air Force One, size 10, again in an old Nike box. They look to be dead stock. Yeah, these are dead stock. Patent leather. They look like a premium Air Force One. I don't know what the nickname of these are. Yeah, if you guys know anything about these, leave it down below. They are dead stock though. Still have the little tag on the green laces. Green laces. I don't know anything about this box, guys. I'm totally lost. I'm gonna have to do some research. Hopefully the value is there. Size 10 Air Jordan 3, another old box. Size 10. Oh yeah, we got some heat right here. Pure Money 3, size 10. And these are dead stock. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting a little worried about this box, but I know for sure these alone go for over 300. These are dead stock, the original ones. I know they just re-released again with the icy bottom. These are the OGs. These are nice, man. Pure Money 3s. These right here for sure are the money shoe in the box. Well over 300 alone for this. This is a 565 box. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll do alright. I'm pretty sure I'll do alright. Thank you guys for watching. As always, all the prices for everything again will be down in the description. You can email me or hit me up directly on Instagram. I try to get back to everybody's DMs in a timely fashion. Thank you guys for watching all these beater boxes. I should have some more coming in soon. I try not to miss a drop. I really try not to miss a drop. I might need to double up or something on the next drop. But yeah, so you guys make sure you hit that subscribe button, because they're coming. I'm trying to stay on it and just keep on putting out videos. So you guys keep on watching, keep supporting. I definitely appreciate it. And with that being said, I'm out. Peace.